The BikeRegister Membership Plus kit contains 2 highly durable, tamper-resistant QR barcode labels. These can be scanned by police or a member of the public with a smartphone to identify your bike on the BikeRegister website and determine whether it is stolen. Step 1. Clean the bike frame. Remove the backing paper and stick the ID labels on the frame. Step 2. The labels should be fully affixed to your bike and without any creases. They should be positioned so that the barcode can be read with a smartphone using a QR scanning app. The labels will take at least 48 hours to fully cure and bond to the frame. Do not try and peel off after sticking down, as labels are tamper resistant and will break into pieces. Step 3. Register your bike on BikeRegister using the kit and PIN numbers on the membership card.